Hey guys, so last summer, me and my friend Kiersten traveled all around Europe for a few weeks. So I thought I'd make a video about what they don't tell you when you're backpacking through Europe. First, if you're gonna be recording video, know that your camera is gonna look a little whack. The frequency of the lights are different, but if you wait a little bit, it kind of goes away, or you can change the settings in your camera.
Oh, the lighting evened itself out. Nice.
All right, let's talk about where to stay.
Home sweet home. Oh, the bed is not comfy.
So while we were traveling, we stayed in a few hostels. Hostels have a reputation for being pretty gross, and some of them definitely are. This one, I couldn't recommend it to my worst enemy.
Yeah, I just tried to kill Kiersten low-key.
But some of them are actually pretty nice. So we found a few good ones that we really liked. Generator hostels were all really good. I really liked those ones.
This is such a clean hostel. I love it. This TV too, this is bigger than the one in our Airbnb.
And you can do it a few different ways. You could do a 4-bed shared dorm. You can do all girls. You can do mixed, so it's guys and girls.
A little cubby, kind of. And then we have 2 guy roommates.
We haven't met them.
We're pretty sure. Like, there's a skateboard.
You could have your own room with you and your friend, or you could do 8-bed or 16-bed, which I really don't recommend if you want to get some sleep.
We even have some interesting art here. Yeah.
So hostels have way more of a social life than hotels. A lot of them have different activities, pub crawls. They always have some kind of bar or hangout spot. And people are generally pretty friendly because everyone's traveling, you know, they just want to have fun. If you try and pack in too much every day, you're just gonna get really tired and not even enjoy what you're doing.
I'm drifting off to sleep.
So don't feel like you need to do everything in a city. Just pick a few things that you really want to do and actually enjoy them. There's good pizza everywhere in Europe, so just be careful because it's really dangerous. I ate way too much pizza while I was there. This one's kind of random, but Disneyland Paris, in my opinion, not as good as the original. Still fun to go to.
Disneyland Paris was a fun time.
But if you're thinking about going, just know it's like not as good. Train ticket prices change by the day, just like airlines. So check this out. This is $260 for the next day, or if you book it a month in advance, it's only $60. So definitely book things in advance if you can, especially train tickets. There's a lot of stairs all over the place, so pack light. Traveling will make you just kind of ugly.
I really want to find a place to get my eyebrows done because you guys, look at them. This is what traveling does to you. Oh.
Using some really cheap shampoo and conditioner. My hair got super frizzy. Pack light. Seriously, you don't want anything more than a carry-on and a backpack because it just won't fit in a hostel. Like, you only get a little drawer like this, and they have like washing machines and stuff, so you'll be fine. The outlets are different than the US, a lot of people know that. So if you're going to London and then you're going to Amsterdam, you're gonna need a different kind of converter. These super touristy bus tours, they have them in every city, but they're actually not a bad way to get around in London and Barcelona. They'll take you to all the major spots and you don't have to worry about figuring out the train system or getting an Uber. If you're at a sit-down restaurant and you don't ask for the check, you will pretty much never get it. It's like rude for them. They feel like they're rushing you out. So if you don't want to be somewhere for like 3 hours, definitely ask for the check like shortly after you get your food. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something. If you have any tips or info that you think people should know if they're going to Europe, comment it down below. This is kind of a random time to upload this video, but I just kind of was inspired to because I was looking back at all my footage. I know the summer is more time when people are like going to travel. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Give it a thumbs up if you did and you want more travel videos, and comment down below where you would go in the world if you could go to any city in the world. I would go to Italy because I only went to Milan in Italy and I would love to go to like the coast. It looks really cool there. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.